Welcome to my yoga channel where yoga is happy. In today's practice, we'll be focusing on releasing stress and tension through your neck and shoulders where it tends to build up, while also giving your whole body a gentle stretch. And best of all, you don't even need to get down on the ground. So go ahead and grab your chair and let's begin. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions. Lift your shoulders up, forward, down, and around. Release, returning to center. Place your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Lift your elbows up and lower, keeping your shoulders relaxed, moving at your own pace. Pausing, keep your fingertips to your shoulders with your elbows wide. Begin to circle your elbows forward and around, alternating right and left, gradually increasing your range of motion. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Alternate right and left, circling your elbows back and around, creating more space and ease in your ribcage, shoulders, and upper back. Release and return to center, moving into a lateral neck stretch. Sitting tall, clasp your left hand beneath your chair. Reach your right arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your right ear towards your right shoulder, gently leaning to the right. Adding a wrist and hand stretch, begin to point and flex through your right hand as you continue breathing deeply, feeling a gentle stretch through the left side of your neck all the way down into your left shoulder. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Sitting tall, clasp your right hand beneath your chair. Reach your left arm away and towards the earth, relaxing your left ear towards your left shoulder, gently leaning to the left. Adding a wrist and hand stretch, begin to point and flex through your left hand, bending at your wrist. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, clasp your hands beneath your right leg. Extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee. Continue with this movement, stretching through your hamstrings, creating more mobility and flexibility in your joints. Pause with your right leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel, waking up the energy of your foot and ankle. Release and repeat to the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your left leg, extend, lengthening through your heel, and bend at your knee as you continue sitting tall, moving at your own pace. Pause and hold with your left leg extended. Point through your toes and flex through your heel. Release and return to center. With your right hand to your right leg, begin to circle your right leg open for an external hip rotation, waking up your hip joint. Continue moving slowly and gently as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, moving into a seated twist variation. Cross your right leg over your left. Inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support. Continue here, or optional to gently press your left arm into your right leg, using it as added leverage, aiding your left side body in coming around to the right, deepening this twist. Stay connected to your breath, adding ankle rotations with your right ankle. Feel the circulation flowing through top of foot, sole, and ankle as you switch directions. Continue breathing deeply as you slowly release and return to center, repeating this sequence to the opposite side. With your left hand to your left leg, begin to circle your left leg open, waking up your hip joint. Continue sitting tall as you circle your left leg in the opposite direction, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and slowly lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your spine long, feeling a gentle stretch through your left outer hip. Inhale, lift your torso to upright, adding a seated twist variation. Cross your left leg over your right. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support. With each inhale, lengthen from the base of your spine upward, and with each exhale, gently twisting deeper. Optional to gently press your right arm into your left leg, using it as added leverage. Stay connected to your breath, adding ankle rotations with your left ankle. As you switch directions, continue to cover as much space as possible, re-energizing through your foot and ankle. Continue breathing smoothly and deeply as you release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And for more free full-length videos, visit happyyogaondemand.com.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.